Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental class. Today's class is for the 11th. It is from the unit 3, ecological interaction and adaptation. Now, the concept of interaction and its types. Organisms do not exist alone in the nature, but in a matrix of other organisms of many species. Many species in an area will be unaffected by the presence or the absence of one another. This is often termed as neutralism, but in some cases, two or more species will interact. There are different types of the interactions. Now, the interspecific interaction. The interaction between species may have positive or the negative results. The following 6 general types of interactions have been described. Let's start. There are generally 2 types of the interactions. One is the positive interaction, and second is the negative interaction. In the positive interaction, we have mutualism, commensalism, proto-cooperation, scavenging, and in the negative interaction, we have the exploitations such as the social parasitism, predation, amensalism. Let's start with the positive interactions. In case of the positive interactions, the population help one another, and either one or the both the species are benefited. This benefit may be regarding the food, shelter, or substrate and transport. Further, such an association may be continuous or transitory, obligate or the facultative, and the two partners may be in close contact, that is, their tissues remain intermixed with each other, or one of them may live within a specific area or the other or attached to its surface. Let's start with the mutualism. Mutualism is an obligatory positive interspecific interaction that is strongly beneficial to both the species. In past, it was termed symbiosis. Such a mutually beneficial interactions are more common in the tropics than elsewhere. In this case, both of the species derive benefits, and there exists a close and often permanent and obligatory contact, which is more or less essential for survival. In the mutualism, there is for example, the pollination by the animals, dispersal of the fruits and the seeds, lichen, symbiotic nitrogen fixation, mycorrhiza. In the commensalism, it defines the coaction to which 2 or more species are associated, or one species at least derives benefit from the association, while the other associate are neither benefit or nor harmed. The concept of commensalism has been broadened in recent years, applied to coaction other than those centering on food, cover, support, protection, and locomotion, now frequently included. Some of the common examples of commensalism are, for example, Lena's apophytes. Then there is another positive interaction that's called as a proto-cooperation. It's a positive interspecific interaction in which both the partners are mutually benefited and increase the chance of their survival. However, the interaction is not obligatory for their survival, as both can live without these interactions. For example, crocodile birds, now the last one is the scavenging. It is a direct food-related interspecific interaction in which one partner, called the scavenger or the saprobiont, eats the dead bodies of other animals which have died either naturally or killed by some other animals. Scavengers clean the environment, and the available food is ultimately disposed of, by which a major part of the nutrient again enters the recycling. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.